Where are we going?
California. California.
Put your sticker on. Cruzy, you want a sticker?
Hi, I'm Enzo and welcome to my channel. Hi, I'm Cruz. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be at the San Diego Children's Museum.
Push her, Enzo.
There's no more holes. I officially made it up here. It's kind of insane, but I made it. So this is what it looks like.
All right, let's see.
It's not that bad.
You could play the flute.
No.
There's music in there. Go ahead. Go with your brother. Look, Bill with Enzo. Look at you, Mommy. You want to see it in the mirror? Have all kinds of stuff. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh, good. I'm so glad that you like it.
I know I had one of them, and I think it's a dolphin.
Oh, you do have one of these?
Yeah.
Oh, so you know exactly how they work. Like this necklace? You want me to put it on? Nice doggy. Soft. Soft hands? Yeah.